hurt, but something inside him says, get up, dragon, get up, dragon, get up, dragon. That is a self-belief.
घड़ी से ज्यादा तो उसका वक्त महंगा होता है, घड़ी से ज्यादा तो उसका वक्त महंगा होता है। जो इसकी कद्र कर ले वक्त उसी का होता है, जो इसकी कद्र कर ले वक्त उसी का होता है। उदासी लुत्फ लेने को चली आती है महलों से, उदासी लुत्फ लेने को चली आती है महलों से, जब गरीबों की झोपड़ी में खुशी का वक्त होता है।
A positive attitude doesn't mean life will be easy. A positive attitude doesn't mean life will be easy. It means you will be strong enough to face your life.
With education, we understand. With education, we understand right and wrong. Without education, mistakes are repeated. Without education, mistakes are repeated. Money gives comfort, but education gives direction.
Education is the foundation of our future. It gives us knowledge, skills, value.
So, my dear friends, with this great excitement and positive energy, we would love to start our event with a speech.
I'm very thrilled to call everyone onto the stage, those who are nominated. Let's dive into our first segment of speakers. Let's give a warm appreciation to Wahidur Rahman. Please come on the stage.
Hello dear teachers, educators, seniors and respected people sitting here. A very good morning all of you. I am Wahidur Rahman. I am from Lakhminia. Today I am here. I am going to speak unmatchable topic named self-belief. My dear friend, self-belief is not something we read in book. It's a feeling that comes from deep inside our heart. The voice that says, yes, I can do it. But even when the world says, you cannot. What is self-belief? Self-belief means having confidence in yourself, trusting your goal, trusting your dream and your ability and your capacity to make them come true. It's not just a quality, it's your identity. It's not just a thought, it's your power. Have you ever wondered who is the strongest person in the world? It's not the one with the most money, not the one with the most muscles, but the who has the most powerful thing of all. My dear friend, believe in themselves. Even when the world turns its back, that person never lets go of their own hand. Let me give you some real example. First, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a boy from a small village. He was selling paper in a childhood, who had a very little money, but very big dream. He believed in himself, he worked hard, and he became the president of our India. My dear friend, just imagine, did people doubt him? Yes. But did he listen? No. He listened only one voice. That one inside him says, I can do. I want to give you, Sikand, a very unique example. Amitabh Bachchan. He was rejected in the everyday. People say, your voice is not good. You don't look like a hero. हम भी वो हैं जो कभी किसी के पीछे खड़े नहीं होते। हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है। I ask you, कौन भी क्या ये आवाज रिजेक्ट होना चाहिए? No, but he rejected. My dear friend, but he believed in himself, he worked hard, और आज इसकी आवाज पूरी दुनिया को खामोश कर देती है। I want to give you third is the best example in the world. A small child learning to ride bicycle. He fails, hackers he gets. He fails, hackers he gets hurt, but something inside him says, get up, dragon, get up, dragon, get up, dragon. That is a self-belief. My dear friend, it doesn't mean you want to fail. It means you want quit. Even if your marks are low, even if people underestimate you, even if life keeps testing you, there is one thing you must never lose. Always remember this line. Believe works before talent. Courage speaks before degrees, and hard work works before luck. Remember this, the day you truly believe in yourself, the day you truly believe in yourself, there is no place left for defect, because self-belief is the power that turns a broken person into a winner. So my dear friend, today make a promise to yourself. I will not live by other people's opinions. I will live by my own belief. And when the world says you cannot do, I just smile and I say, watch me. So my dear friend, decide your career, decide your dream 2026 before, and believe in yourself. I hope you will achieve your goals. So thank you for listening to me.
Thank you so much, Wahidur, for your such a thoughtful perspective. And you know what? I must say, self-belief is like a Wi-Fi. If it is strong, everything works smoothly, right? Apart from this, when we believe in ourselves, half of the battle we already won. So tell me, everybody, as loud as you can, do you believe in yourself? Yes! That's good, and I just love the way you speak. Well, now I would love to call next student, and different student with different topic and different ideas. Love to call Mr. Salman onto the stage with a big round of applause.
Today, I am here to speak on a very powerful topic, self-belief. Self-belief means having confidence in yourself, in your abilities, your dreams, and your decision. It is believing that yes, I can do it, even when no one else think you can. खुद पर यकीन हो तो कोई भी रास्ता निकल सकता है. खुद पर यकीन हो तो कोई भी रास्ता निकल सकता है. हवा की ओट लेकर तो चिराग भी जल सकता है. You see, the world is full of people who will doubt you. But the real question is, will you doubt yourself? There is a famous quote, believe you can, believe you can, and you are the halfway there. Think about it. A very great story started with self-belief. Just like when MS Dhoni came from a small town, people laughed at his dream. हाँ, तुम क्या कर लोगे? But his belief made him a world champion. Self-belief does not mean you will never fail. It means you will never stop trying, no matter how many times you fall. हमारी समस्या का समाधान केवल हमारे पास है. हमारी समस्या का समाधान केवल हमारे पास है. दूसरों के पास तो केवल सुझाव है. So guys, your dreams need your faith more than anyone's approval. When you believe in your magic happen, your fear turn into courage, your doubts turn into determination, and your dreams turn into reality. Believe in yourself, have faith in your more abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be success or happy. I believe in my ability to learn. I believe in my ability to improve. I believe in my ability to adopt, overcome and succeed. भरोसा खुद पे रखो तो ताकत बन जाती है। भरोसा खुद पे रखो तो ताकत बन जाती है, और दूसरों पर रखो तो कमजोरी बन जाती है। So from today, let's promise ourselves, even if path is difficult, even if people doubt us, even when we live in our strength. Because remember, the strongest belief is self-belief. So thank you all of you.
He has given his best, and he's talking about belief. I would like to say that believe in yourself. You're most stronger than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Now I want to see one thing that is, सुनो मत करना भरोसा गैरों पर, सुनो मत करना भरोसा गैरों पर, क्योंकि चलना तुम्हें है अपने ही पैरों पर। So let's call an impressive speaker onto the stage, and he is Mr. Kamran. Please come on the stage. Have a thunder round of applause for Kamran. All the best.
First of all, thank you very much giving me the wonderful opportunity.
Yeah, so he's done.
Respected teacher and my dear fellows, a very well good morning to all of you. My name is Kamran Akmal, and I feel truly honored standing before you and share my thought on a topic that plays a very important role in our daily life, our education, our future success. That is communication skill. In today world where people are connected across city, country, even culture, but communication has become a more important than ever. Whether we are speaking our teacher, our parents, our friend, even speaking on the stage just like this, but communication decide how effectively understood, how will be effectively understood. So today I'm here to highlight topic why communication skill matter and how they shape our personality, our strong life. Communication skill is the ability that help us express our thought, feelings and ideas clearly. These skills are not just about speaking, they include a listening. Understanding body language, tone of voice, eyes contact is the most important part of communication skill. Good communication make a good relationship. First of all, communication start off with clearly. Because if we cannot explain what we want to say in a simple way and clear way, then our message get lost. A good communicator think before speaking and choose word wisely. Because communication not only about telling, listening is equally important. Many students here, but very few students, I think, truly listen. We should focus listening. Another important part of communication skill is the body language, tone of voice, eyes contact. Eyes contact show that we are engaged and respectful. Today's world, Communication skills are needed everywhere, in school, in class, with family, with friend, at work. Everywhere needed communication skill. Good communication build a trust. So improve communication skill, we can follow a few simple rules. Firstly, speaking clearly and confidently. Secondly, body language. Maintain a body language is the most important part of communication skill. Great leader, teacher, speaker, successful people know for their because power of communication skill. Now, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that, my dear friend, communication skills are not only about ability, they are a lifelong asset in every stage of life. Whether we are a student today or professional tomorrow, what communication decide how will we connect, how will we influence, how will we succeed. Good communication give us confidence, make a personality strong, build a trust. So, my dear friend, if we truly want to grow, learn and achieve our goal, then improve our communication skill is the first step.
We have understood that communication is not just speaking, it is making people understand, and today you did this. Well, I would love to tell a few things about communication. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing. If you don't have communication skill, even Google can't help you. Well, on this note, I would love to call on the students because I don't want to waste your a lot of time. So, please welcome with a huge round of applause, Miss Mubashira Nuran onto the stage for share her thoughts on time. Please welcome with a huge round of applause. Give us the energy, guys. Show some energy. Yeah, right. ये बहारों की महफिल सुहानी रहेगी, लब पे खुशियों की कहानी रहेगी, ये सितारे यूं ही जगमगाते रहेंगे अगर आपकी तालियों की मेहरबानी रहेगी। वाह वाह। Thank you so much. Good morning to all of my dear friends, teachers, my seniors and esteemed guests. Today I want to speak very beautiful topics. Don't waste your time. And a special thanks for my honorable teachers, Basar sir, for giving this opportunity in front of you.
Imamul is back and Khalid is back.
Today I want whatever you're doing, you stop.
Imamul and Khalid.
Take deep breath, ask yourself very simple question. Am I really living? Am I really living or just existing? Everyone wants dream car, everyone wants dream house, everyone wants money. But are you taking action? Are you taking action? My question is, what are you doing today? What are you doing right now to create life? You always about dream? Are you still scrolling through the social media? Are you still making excuses why you can't start? Are you still watching random videos and wasting time? Still sleeping late? Still hoping things will magically change? Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me carefully. Your life is real, your world is real, but your time is limited. But your time is limited. You don't get a second chance. You don't get a second life. You are not born in again and try again. It is your life. Time is your life. Don't kill it. Let me tell truth. You are not killing time. Time is killing you. Time is killing you. Ladies and gentlemen, every time you say I will do tomorrow, every time you scroll in Instagram, one or more hour, every time you hit snooze on your alarm and go back to sleep, you are not just wasting your time, you are destroying your peaceful life. Because time is your life. You don't feel it today, but slowly. Life is moving, every second is going away. You are getting older, your parents are getting older. Your energy is gone. Your dream always waiting you. But for how long? But for how long? Let me ask you, what did you do yesterday? What did you do day before? What are planning for tomorrow? Still nothing? Still same thing? Still hoping things will magically change? Still waiting for someday? Someday will never come. Listen me, someday will never come. Your team don't care about your excuses. Your life don't care about your reason. Only your results matter. Solution? Start valuing your time like a goal. Write down your problems on paper. Write down your daily plan. Focus on one thing that will push your life forward. Time is your biggest friend if respected. Otherwise, time is your biggest enemy. Stop blaming others. Start building. Stop blaming others. Start building. Because think about like Oprah Winfrey, born in poverty, abused as a child. Today, a billionaire and the most respectful person in the world. She didn't blame others. She only willed. Solution: accept your story, not be a victim. Accept your story, not be a victim. Write down your problems on paper, then write one solution. Take action and take action no matter how small. No matter how small. You are not unlucky, you are not lazy, you are just not using your power. Your comfort zone is escape, trap it now. You wake up, eat something, maybe study, sleep and repeat. It feel easy, it feel relaxed. But do you know what happening? Do you know what's happening? You are dying from the inside. Your comfort zone is killing your dreams.
No battery.
Your comfort zone is escaped it now. You wake up, eat something, maybe study, sleep and repeat. It feel easy, it feel relaxed. But do you know what's happening? You are dying from the inside. You are dying from the inside. Your comfort zone is killing you. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to speak fluent English? Then speak, you make 100 mistakes. You want to start a business? Then start, you fail first 10 times. Many people never start because they feel scared to feel uncomfortable. They're afraid of people laughing. They're afraid of failure. Example, imagine a seed stay under the tree. It never becomes stronger. When it breaks through the ground, face the sun, face the mind, why it becomes stronger. You are the same, and she is the same. And thank you for listening me. Take responsibility for your future. And let me wrap up my speech for saying something. घड़ी से ज्यादा तो उसका वक्त महंगा होता है. घड़ी से ज्यादा तो उसका वक्त महंगा होता है. जो इसकी कद्र कर ले वक्त उसी का होता है. जो इसकी कद्र कर ले वक्त उसी का होता है. उदासी लुत्फ लेने को चली आती है महलों से. उदासी लुत्फ लेने को चली आती है महलों से. जब गरीबों की झोपड़ी में खुशी का वक्त होता है. हम जैसे गरीबों की कलाई की भी अजीब बात है. घड़ी किसी की होती है, वक्त किसी का होता है. थैंक यू.
She has talked about time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time in changing others' opinion. Don't waste your time in changing others' opinion. Just do your work. Focus on yourself. One day, others' opinion will be changed about you. That day will be yours. So now an outstanding speaker is coming on the stage, and she is Miss Arfa. Please come on the stage. Have a big round of applause for her.
हेलो एवरीवन. क्या आप जानते हैं जब एक लड़की बोलती है तो सिर्फ आवाज़ नहीं बल्कि अपनी पहचान बोलती है, बल्कि अपनी पहचान बोलती है. Respected my bursar sir, guests, seniors and my all dear friends. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Let me start with a quote. अभी तो असल मंजिल पाना बाकी है, अभी तो असल मंजिल पाना बाकी है, अभी तो इरादों का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो तौली है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने, अभी तो तौली है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है. Today my topic is attitude. Because a person is not recognized by clothes, but by attitude.
Right.
Before trying to change the world, change yourself. Because the one who works on himself rules the world.
Very beautiful. Thank you.
People will always talk, so don't listen to them. Yes, guys, don't listen to them. Because those who achieve nothing themselves are the first to stop with others. The world clap only when you win. The world clap only when you win, not when you try. I have an attitude problems. Oh really? I have an attitude problems. No guys, I just have a personality you can't handle.
Wow.
Attitude means I am above everyone? No. Attitude means I am not less than anyone. Some people talk behind my back. Yes, some people talk behind my back because they can't stand in front of me. I am simple, but not easy to understand. I don't show off because people just notice me. I am not perfect, but I am original. Respect me, I will respect you. Ignore me, I will ignore you. But try to play with me, I will finish the game. I am not afraid of losing because the day I win, the world will remember. Don't mistake my silence for weakness. Don't mistake my silence for weakness. Because when I speak, the whole atmosphere shake. मेरी खामोशी को मेरी कमजोरी मत समझ, मेरी खामोशी को मेरी कमजोरी मत समझ. जब शेर शिकार करता है तो दहाड़ा नहीं करता.
Very beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to compete with others. No, I am here to beat my own yesterday. I don't wait for luck because even destiny said, get up, work hard, otherwise why should I remember you? I follow 2 rules in my life. Rule number 1, never bend in front of anyone. Rule number 2, never let yourself break. I never go where I am not respected because I am the one who fear to lose. I am one to express, not to impress. Love me or hurt me, but I will shine. And now listen to me carefully, everyone. If I am right, no one can defeat me. If I am right, no one can defeat me. But if I am wrong, no one can save me. This is my attitude and this is my identity.
Now, tell me, am I audible at the back? Yes. At there? There? Then what happened to you? I am audible. The speaker must be. Then why you are not clapping? Clap for yourself first. Show some interest, guys. You are so good at that. And what happened today? Well, she was talking about activity. I want to tell you something, which is your talent may take you far, but your attitude decide how long you stay. So, everybody has attitude? Yes. Show some attitude right now. Well, on this note, the same topic with different speaker, with different style. I will love to call Miss Mosami on stage with a huge round of applause.
बेहतर से बेहतर की तलाश करो, मिल जाए नदी तो समंदर की तलाश करो. टूट जाता है शीशा अक्सर पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाता है शीशा अक्सर पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाए पत्थर ऐसा शीशा तलाश करो। A beautiful good morning to all of you present here. Today I stand before you to speak on a word that is small in spelling but huge in impact, and that's our attitude. My dear friends, we know about it as very well because attitude is the mirror of our mindset. It reflects who we are, what we believe, and how far we can go in life. Two people may face the same situation. Two people may face the same situation, but their attitude decides whether they break down or whether they rise up. A positive attitude doesn't mean life will be easy. A positive attitude doesn't mean life will be easy. It means you will be strong enough to face your life. Great people are not born great. Great people are not born great. They grow great because of their attitude. Your attitude decides your altitude. In student life, attitude is more important than your talent. Because talent may gives you a start, but attitudes gives you success, your growth, and your respect. Many people stop not because of their attitude, but winners. My dear friends, listen to me, but winners are those who say, I will try again and again, I will try again. वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे। कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे। A strong attitude teaches us to stay calm in pressure, to stay kind in anger, to stay confident in failure. Many people are laugh at you, many people are ignore you, but remember, don't change your attitude. Don't change your attitude to please people, change your attitude to build yourself. A positive attitude decides your talent more than your circumstances. A positive attitude teaches us more than important than your circumstances. Failure is not opposite of success. Failure is not opposite of success. A wrong attitude is. My dear friends, we can't change everything in our life. We can't change everything in our life, but we can always change our attitude, and attitude changes our everything. And lastly, I just want to say a beautiful quote of APJ Abdul Kalam. Past is a waste paper. Past is a waste paper. Present is a newspaper, and future is a question paper. So read and write carefully. Otherwise, your life will tissue paper. So thank you very much. Thank you for giving me your golden time. Thank you very much. What a surprising speech. Her expression was really awesome. I cannot express it with my words. So now I would like to say that don't walk as if you rule the world. Don't walk as if you rule the world. Walk as if you don't care who rules the world. That's called attitude.
Thank you, dear sir, senior, and my lovely friends. Good morning, dear sir, senior, and my lovely friends. It is an honor to be on this stage with you. Today I want to speak about education. Education is not just about textbook and exams. It is a foundation of a mindful and successful life. Education is not just learning facts, it is learning how to think. An educated person asks questions. Uneducated person asks questions. An uneducated person follows blindly. Education helps us make better decisions. Education helps us make better decisions. And better decisions create better life. With education, we understand. With education, we understand right and wrong. Without education, mistakes are repeated. Without education, mistakes are repeated. Money gives comfort. Money gives comfort. But education gives direction. Education increases skills. And skills create opportunities. And opportunities build progress. A nation with educated person. A nation with educated person grows stronger. A nation without education moves backward. So education is not a choice. Education is not a choice. It is a necessary. I want to end my speech with this quote. Education is a gift. Education is a gift that none can take away. Thank you very much, dear friends and all esteemed personalities for your valuable time and appreciation.
Thank you so much, Sadia, for your great expression and your great speech. Well, do you think, Alia, something interesting is happening?
Really, I think that confidence is replacing our fear.
Absolutely. What do you think, guys? Is it? That's cool. As she was talking about education, I just remember something, so I thought I should share with you all. And that is, without education, even our mobile phone feel confusing, right? That's true, yeah. So without wasting my time and your time, I would love to call someone else, and yeah, I would love to call Mr. Imamul. Please give a huge round of applause for him.
Today I'm here to speak about very beautiful and amazing topic, that is self-belief. But first, a beautiful quote, that is, I don't care people say about me. I don't care people say about me. I know who I am and don't have prove anything to anyone. And second, my topic is self-belief. Guys, first of all, I speak self-belief means having a belief in yourself and your abilities. It means believe that yes, I can do it. When we believe in ourselves, half of our work is already done. Everyone, I speak everyone is in this world is special. God has given each of us some talent, but sometimes we fail because we are weak. But because we don't believe in ourselves. When a child learns to walk, we fail sometime, but we don't stop because we believe that one day he will walk. Confidence gives us courage. Courage helps us face problems. Life is not always easy. There will be failure, but failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Every failure makes us stronger if we believe in ourselves. Guys, sometimes people say you can't do this, but remember, you believe is stronger there than words. To build self-belief, we should learn from mistake, hard work, and think positive. Every morning, look at yourself and say, I am the best. I believe myself. I can achieve my goal. Self-belief is like a light. It shows us the path even in darkness. If we believe in ourselves, no power in this world can stop you. Let us be promised today to then respect ourselves, achieve our goal. You respect ourselves, you will believe in ourselves, success will follow you. Once I lose my control, I don't care who is standing in front of me. So thank you for listening to me.
Now I'm going to call our ABC personality, and he is Mr. Khalid.
Good communication is something that will connect you for ahead. Proper communication can help you to solve a number of issues and resolve problems. Communication is not just about speaking. It's about creating a bridge between two minds. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. The beauty of communication is not in speaking a perfect language, but in making yourself understood and understanding others. The most beautiful communication is not just about speaking. It's about creating a space where another soul feels heard. Communication is the art of sharing ourselves. It's not about using big words. It's about making someone feels understood. The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. The most important thing in communication is to hear what is not being said.
Thank you so much, Khalid. It was such amazing, I can say, speech. Well, he was talking about communication, and again, I just remember something which is a little bit funny, but let it be. I would love to let you know that if you don't have communication skill, even Google can't help you. I know you want that jaldi bas ye khatam ho jaye, right? But it is not like that. Everybody has to speak and everybody has to come, everybody has to give their best. With this, I would love to call a girl who is going to speak about a thing which is related to everyone sitting here. And it is education. Well, ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together for Miss Nisha to come onto the stage and share her thoughts.
विपत्ति में विरोध में अडिग रहो अटल रहो विपत्ति में विरोध में अडिग रहो अटल रहो विषम समय के चक्र में विशाहसी प्रबल बनो तपा है जो जला है वो जो चमक उसी में आई है तपा है जो जला है जो चमक उसी में आई है समस्त तापतम में भी बढ़े चलो सफल रहो बस एक लक्ष्य साध कर गगन की ओर उड़ चलो घटा गिरी अटूट हो मगर सदा प्रबल रहो Thank you, sir, giving me wonderful opportunity. Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you guys? I am perfectly fine.
Yeah, she is in afternoon.
Today, I am here to present on a speech for education. I would like to start beautifully quote by APJ Abdul Kalam. Education is the most powerful weapon.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Today, I don't want to talk about education as a subject. Today, I don't want to talk about education as a subject, education as a whole. Education is not just about reading books, it's about reading life. Education is not just about books, marks and degrees. It is about it that light and enter the room and say, you are not finished it. You are not finished it. Education is the one of the most powerful in the world. It doesn't only teaches us how to read and how to write. It teaches us how to think, understanding and grow. Education is the foundation of our future. It gives us knowledge, skills, value. It helps us know the difference, right and wrong. Education, a lot of knowledge. Education gives us a lot of knowledge. It gives us confidence to speak, courage to question, and strength to rise. It helps us earn a living. It helps us earn a living, but more importantly, it helps us how to live. A child without education like a bird without wings. It has the sky, but it can't fly. When a girl is educated, an entire generation is educated. When a poor child is educated, a whole family rises. When a society is educated, a nation unstoppable. Education changes the society. Education changes the society. For example, society is very powerful, strength and progressive. If you people are educated. Education is not a burden. Education is not a burden. Education is life. Education is blessing. Education is not name of any degrees and certificate. Education is the name of our attitude, languages and behavior. Education doesn't ask you where you come from. Education doesn't ask you where you come from. Education asks where you want to go. Yes, guys, education asks where you want to go. Your degree is just a piece of a paper. Your degree is just a piece of a paper. Your education sees in your behavior, your discipline. Education is not preparation for life. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life. And last, डिग्रियां हैं हाथ में अगरचे ये सच है लेकिन डिग्रियां हैं हाथ में अगरचे ये सच है लेकिन इल्म वह है जो किरदार को संवार देता है. Thank you so much listening to me, giving your precious time, your attention. Have a nice day.
Such a wonderful speech he has given. So I would like to say that और शिक्षित को शिक्षा दो और ज्ञानी को ज्ञान, और शिक्षित को शिक्षा दो और ज्ञानी को ज्ञान. शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है भारत देश महान.
Now I would love to call an attractive speaker and she will attract you by her voice. So I am calling Miss Habiba Sadaf. Please come on the stage. Have a thunder of applause for Habiba Sadaf. Clap loudly. Good morning to my respected sir, teachers, esteemed guests, seniors, and my all dear friends. Today I'm here to share my perspectivity on one of the most powerful topic, that is self-belief. Look in the mirror. The person staring back at you has the power to move mountains. तूफानों से डरने वाले किनारे पर रह जाते हैं। तूफानों से डरने वाले किनारे पर रह जाते हैं। खुद पर भरोसा रखने वाले इतिहास रच जाते हैं। Don't wait for anyone else to believe in you. Start believing in yourself. Your doubts are just shadows. Your belief is the light that can burn them all. Fear will try to stop you, but your courage is stronger. Before anyone else believes in you, the most important person to believe in is you. जो अपने आप पर भरोसा कर ले वही तख्त पलटता है। जो अपने आप पर भरोसा कर ले वही तख्त पलटता है, वरना भीड़ तो हर जमाने में सिर्फ रास्ता बदलती है। The greatest achievement in the world began with someone trusting themselves, taking that first step and refusing to give up. You are stronger than your excuses, braver than your fear, and more capable than you imagine. I am the storm, I am the fire, and I don't wait for permission to shine. The world tests me, but I am unshakable because I believe in myself above all. Self-doubt is an enemy. Self-doubt is an enemy. Self-belief is my weapon, and I am unbreakable. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. The universe believes in you. Self-belief is not just about confidence. It is the unwavering conviction to overcome any obstacles and achieve the impossible. तो झुकने की आदत छोड़, तू उठने की कसम खा। तो झुकने की आदत छोड़, तू उठने की कसम खा। तेरे अंदर छिपा है वो जो तकदीर बदलता है। Believe in yourself and your own strength. Yes, things can be difficult. Life can be hard at times. But know that you can and you will get through each and every one. You have the strength to do. Self-belief is built when you stop asking, can I? And start saying, I can. Before I end, I want to say this. Believing in yourself is not easy, but it's powerful. There will be doubts, there will be fear, there will be moments of silence. But if you trust your heart, stay strong and keep moving forward, nothing can stop you. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है। Thank you very much, my respected sir, teachers, esteemed guests, seniors, for giving me your valuable time. I hope my words about self-belief inspired you to trust your heart, rise above every challenge, and shine brighter than ever. Thank you once again.
A wonderful event, and her speech was outstanding. I mean, I'm speechless. I don't have words to express how beautifully she has expressed her speech. Well, I think she was talking about self-belief, and now I am feeling like self-belief has become very popular today. I mean, everybody is coming and sharing his or her thought about self-belief. What do you think? Is it popular today or not? Yes. Is it? Yes. Lovely. It's about thinking deeply, not about just winning, but about understanding different perspectives. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is designed to build confidence in speaking, clarity in thinking, and courage to express your ideas, because everybody has a story to tell.
Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, rather than learning to dance in the rain. It means life is not about waiting to pass the problems. It's about how to learn the problem, how to face the problems. It's about learning to face the problems.